Welcome back, guys, to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch. Well, my friends, what do we have for today? Let's first of all set indicators. The first one will be Bollinger Bands. I'm setting it right now. The second one will be just a moment MACD. MACD is already set and we are ready to start our trading activity. So first trade that I have opened right now is buy position. I have invested $40 in it. Why did I do this? Because you can clearly see that price is showing us pullback reaction from the bottom line of the current channel. Price is going to hit the middle line of the channel, and if we succeed to do this, then we'll continue growing towards at least the upper edge of the current channel. So that's it. By the way, what do we have more? First of all, I trade on the pocket option platform. That's the most important thing I would like to tell you. I use the best platform ever. The name for this platform is Pocket Option. I really like it. I have been trading for a long period, you know this. I have been using a lot of different platforms, but Pocket Option is the nicest one. I would say it's the nicest one. It's the best one ever. So my friends, the first trade was profitable one. As you can see, our current deposit is $76.80. We have even broken through the middle line of the channel. Now I'm going to trade another currency pair. The next one is MAD USD, and I have opened sell position here. Everything is very simple. I did it just because of the fact that we have touched the upper edge of the current channel, and price is going down right now. It's going to cross the middle line of the current channel, and first of all we need to at least touch this middle line. I'm sure we will do this. All we need to just wait a little bit until we do this. Just give the price several seconds to do this, and we will do this. Okay, brothers. Okay, so this trade is also profitable one. You can clearly see this. Our current deposit is $146.72. Well, my friends, now let's change our investment to $146. I have opened buy position here, because of the same reason. You can clearly see that price has hit the bottom line of the current channel, and after this we are highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from the zone, continue growing towards at least the middle line of the channel, or even higher towards the upper edge of it. So that's why let's just wait for a short time, and we will see whether I was right when I opened this buy position here. Well, it's done. We have around $281. Here we have opened buy position for the same reason. We have invested $281 because of the fact that we have touched the bottom line of the channel. We did it, and I expect to get the pullback reaction from the zone, at least towards the middle line of the current channel. And yeah, my friends, it's done. We have around $539 on the account. Well, so here we have changed our investment to $539. We have passed through the middle line of the channel, and for us this is additional confirmation that price will grow towards at least the upper edge of the current channel, because first of all we started receiving the pullback reaction from the bottom line of this channel. After this we have broken through the middle line of it, and now we're highly likely to continue growing towards at least the upper edge of the current channel. So everything is very simple. It's evident. You can just look at the screen right now, and you can just look at the chart and you'll understand everything. So I told you, today's trading session is a very simple one, nothing serious, nothing difficult, and I was absolutely right when I told you that we will touch the upper edge of the channel, and we did it. Our current deposit is around $1,035. This is a very good result, but we have lots of time to make it bigger, make it more. So let's do this. Let's don't waste our time. Okay, so here I'm going to first of all change my investment to $935. I did it. Moreover, what can I find here? Price is going to hit the bottom line of the current channel. I have already opened buy position. I have a very good entry point, I would say you. What I expect to get the pullback reaction from the zone, at least brothers, towards the middle line of the current channel. If price will hit the middle line, this will be enough for us to be in a profit. Moreover, if we will break through the middle line of the current channel, we will highly likely continue growing towards at least the upper edge of it. Well, brothers, well. It's done. Not so good trade. To be honest, but we shouldn't be disappointed. Okay, so here, the same kind of situation. We have opened buy position investing our $935. Because price has touched the bottom line of the current channel, and I expect to get the same kind of pullback reaction. Moreover, according to the MACD indicator, we're highly likely to get the reverse. And if we get the reverse, then we will highly likely start growing and continue growing after this. So, as you see now, we are trying to show the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle, and at least touch the middle line of the current channel. Okay, my friends, while we are waiting for the, yes, so it was profitable. We have around $1,885. Brothers, while I'm choosing the next currency pair that we will trade right now, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, because here you'll find a lot of cool stuff. What exactly will you find? Daily trading signals, daily analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. So do this, brothers. Moreover, if you write me a private message on Telegram and tell me, Michael, I won't become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, on which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions together with me, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day. So don't waste your time, just subscribe to my private TG and write me immediately. So all you need for that purpose is right now to open description and find this link and press subscribe button. Don't waste your time, be with me and be a millionaire. I'm waiting for you. Link in the description. Okay, brothers, while I was talking with you, I have opened buy position in the next trade. Why did I do this? Because as you can see, we have broken through the channel middle line. And after this, we started receiving immediate reaction. Price started growing significantly, and we even have broken through the upper edge of the current channel now, and we're continuing growing. So this is very good result. This is very nice reaction, and this trade is also profitable one. So now we have around $3,547. This is a very good sum, a very good amount of money in my account, taking into account the fact that we started with just $40 and now we have around $3,500. Okay, so let's change our investment to $3,447. Well, so what did we do? We opened sell position. Why? Because price has broken through the middle line of the channel. Honestly, we have even touched the bottom line of the channel, but I'm not sure to be honest that yes, at least we have shown the pullback reaction from the zone. We have even touched the upper edge of the channel, but the volatility now is very high, and I'm sure that we will go back right now because we have already received the pullback reaction from the upper edge of the channel. Now we should touch the bottom line of it. So now we are trying to break through the middle line. We have already done this, and now we should touch the bottom line. Yes, come on, fall. I want you to touch the bottom line. And yeah, we did it. So we have around, yes, we touched the bottom line, by the way. We have around $6,718. $6,718. That's really nice. Well, let's change our investment to $1,200. And what can we find interesting here? I have opened buy position. Why did I do this? Because as you can see, the price has touched the upper edge of the channel. After this, we started receiving the pullback reaction immediately from the zone. Now we have touched the middle line of the channel, but As you can see, sellers don't have enough power to break through the middle line. We just stopped here, we're stuck here, and that's why price started to reverse. And you can clearly see that we're receiving the pullback reaction from the middle line zone in this channel. And I'm quite sure that we will right now touch the upper edge of the current channel. After this, we will continue growing more and more, of course, if we break through the upper edge of the current channel. So anyway, we will be in profit right now. Yep, I told you we will be in profits, and I was absolutely right, because we have around $7,822, brothers. So just look at this sum that we have right now, and remember, we started with just $40. And we have already turned these $40 into around $8,000. This is a crazy result. This is a crazy statistics, brothers. And what can I tell you? If you wanna trade just like me, like a Michael trader, is the best one of the best one. All you need to just right now open the description to this video, find link to my private Jeep, and press subscribe button. And that's all, brothers. Tomorrow you will make your first cash. Even today, if you do this quite early. So do this right now. Don't waste your time. Don't be an idiot. It's absolutely free. So I'm waiting for you, brothers. I'm waiting for your sisters. Do this and be with me. I wish you the best, the luckiest one. Wonderful, splendid, and amazing, and first of all, successful and profitable day. See you all, and bye-bye.